Hello everyone, welcome to Bootstrapped.ai, your main channel to learn about artificial intelligence in today's business world. Today's topic is really interesting. Let's talk about AI in product development. I've been seeing a lot of startups for a while now, and one thing I've learned is that developing a successful product is no easy feat. It takes a lot of time, resources, and creativity. But what if I told you there was a way to streamline that process? A way to make it easier, faster, and more effective? That's where AI comes in. You see, AI can help startups to develop better products in a number of ways. Here are a few steps you can take to get started. Use AI to generate ideas. With machine learning algorithms, startups can quickly generate hundreds of product ideas, saving time and effort in the brainstorming process. Use AI to analyze customer feedback. By using natural language processing, startups can easily analyze customer feedback and identify common pain points or areas for improvement. Use AI to optimize designs. By using AI to simulate and optimize product designs, startups can save time and resources during the prototyping process. Use AI to test and validate products. With AI-powered simulations, startups can test and validate their products before launching, ensuring a higher level of quality and customer satisfaction. I also got a story to tell you. Samantha was a young product designer at a startup. She was always eager to learn and try new things, but she struggled with one particular aspect of her job: prototyping. It seemed like no matter how hard she tried, she just couldn't get the designs right on the first try. It was a frustrating and time-consuming process, and it was starting to wear on her. One day, her boss approached her with an idea. "Samantha, have you heard about AI and machine learning? I think it might be able to help you with your prototypes. It can simulate and optimize designs, saving you time and resources." Samantha was skeptical at first. "AI? I don't know, I'm not sure I understand how it works." But her boss convinced her to give it a try, and Samantha was amazed by the results. She was able to quickly and easily optimize her designs, and her prototypes were more accurate and of higher quality than ever before. Samantha learned an important lesson that day. AI is a powerful tool that can help streamline the product development process and lead to better results. She was grateful to her boss for introducing her to this new technology and vowed to continue using it in her work. So why should startups use AI in product development? Well, for starters, it can save them a ton of time and resources. But more importantly, it can give them a competitive edge. By using AI to develop better products, startups can differentiate themselves from their competition and stand out in a crowded market. Just like her, you could implement AI too. Identify the tasks that can be automated. Start by determining which tasks in the development and design process can be automated with AI. Consider the time and resources required for each task and how well the AI can perform it. Research and compare AI solutions. There are many AI solutions available that can assist with product development and design. Some common examples include AI-powered design tools, AI-assisted prototyping, and AI-powered product recommendation engines. Research and compare different options to find the one that best fits your needs. For example, some AI that are currently available in the market for product development and design include OpenAI, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion. Set up the AI system. Follow the instructions provided by the AI solution to set up and configure the system. This might involve installing software, integrating with other tools, or uploading data for the AI to use. Train the AI. Use real-world examples and data to teach the AI how to perform the tasks you want it to. This might involve inputting design parameters or examples of completed designs for the AI to learn from. Integrate the AI into your workflow. Once the AI is trained and ready to go, integrate it into your workflow. This might involve using it to generate design variations or automate routine tasks, or using it as a design assistance tool. Monitor and optimize the AI performance. Track how well the AI is performing and make adjustments as needed. This might involve updating the training data, tweaking the AI parameters, or changing the way it is used in your workflow. Use the AI to improve your business. Use the insights and data gathered by the AI to improve your business. For example, you might use the AI to identify trends in design preferences or to streamline your workflow, which can help you save time and resources. But don't forget, AI isn't a magic bullet. It's just a tool, and like any tool, it needs to be used correctly. That means having a clear strategy and understanding how to integrate AI into your product development process. So if you're a startup looking to take your product development to the next level, don't be afraid to dive into AI. It might seem intimidating at first, but trust me, the payoff is worth it. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, AI sounds great and all, but what about the cost? Won't it be expensive to implement? Well, the good news is that AI technology has come a long way in recent years, and there are now a number of affordable options available for startups. From cloud-based AI platforms to open-source tools, there are plenty of ways to get started without breaking the bank. Plus, the long-term benefits of using AI in product development far outweigh the initial investment. By streamlining the development process and creating better products, startups can save money and increase profits in the long run. So don't let cost be a barrier to using AI in your product development. With a little bit of research and creativity, you can find a solution that works for you. As a startup, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of day-to-day operations. It's easy to get so focused on building and launching your product that you forget to step back and think about the bigger picture. But here's the thing, the world of technology is constantly evolving, and if you want to stay competitive, you need to evolve with it. And that means embracing new technologies like AI, even if it might seem intimidating at first. So don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. Well, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you found this discussion on AI in product development helpful and that it gave you some ideas on how you can use AI to your advantage as a startup. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.